Jerry, you seen the forklift?
Yeah, it's over there by the baggage depot.
Airplane. Airplane is
Please, can you stop bothering me? How many times have
Dude, this is not a sex club. No, really, look, listen, that one time we were both a little drunk. You cannot do it. Why? Oh no, I suggest what you do is go and find yourself a girlfriend. Please, come on.
Airplane is Airplane is romance.
I love you, Sarah.
My name's Rachel.
Airplane is music.
You have AIDS.
Yes, you have AIDS.
I hate to tell you, boy, that you have AIDS.
You got the AIDS.
You may have caught it
Airplane
when
is
you
a dance.
stuck.
Not unless you've been to IMAX, has the screen been so big.
So, do you like a man in a uniform?
Oh yes, I've always wanted to be a pilot.
Peter Graves.
You ever been in a shower full of grown men?
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Oh, boy, it's so cold up here. My nipple, look, came right off. Oh, yeah, it is.
Leslie Nielsen.
Look, I'm only doing this film so I can be in The Naked Gun.
Oh, I'd love to be in that film.
Well, yes, but that's not important right now.
Lloyd Bridges.
Oh, I'm stuck on 7 across. What do you reckon?
Well, it could be a hat, a flower, or a bird. Yeah, anything.
Robert Stack.
Only cool people wear glasses inside.
I'll have one with pepperoni and one with chicken.
Julie Haggerty.
And if the delivery man knows how to fly a plane, that would be great.
Don't you hate the narrator always interrupting us?
Robert Hayes.
Yeah, how does he know our names? They come up on the bottom of the screen, stupid.
All I wanted was a window seat. A window seat. What are you doing? Just calm yourself down, darling. Look. Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
What the hell are you doing? Sort yourself out! Sort yourself! Oh, sorry, sir. Look, sweetheart, you need to pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. Oh, sorry.
We got turbulence. The plane's coming.
Okay, everybody get in your favorite sex position.
Oh my God, it's the mother-in-law. Airplane. A Howard W. Koch production. Executive producers Jim Abraham, David Zucker, Jerry Zucker. Produced by John Davis. Written and screen directed by Jim Abraham, David Zucker, Jerry Zucker. A Paramount picture. All rights reserved.
Can you fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.